The open house is a long-standing tradition for institutes of learning, and HCC Stafford is certainly no exception.
So today we're at Stafford Campus and we have an open house for the community to come in and learn what a great resource HCC is for those who are looking to upgrade their skills, competencies, acquire new skills, start a new career, or come to school at night or on online. And everything that Stafford Campus has to offer them. So we have faculty members here today, we have financial aid today, we have programs that have grants and scholarships. So there's a lot of people who can usually think they cannot go to college because they may not have the funds to pay for college, but we have several grant opportunities for folks here today to give that information. This campus offers all transferable courses to four-year universities. The academic courses that transfers. If you're going to have a bachelor's degree or an associate's degree in the state of Texas, you need so many academic classes. They're all offered here: science, biology, history, government, all of those. We also have a fine arts center where we actually do music, theater, arts. All of that is offered at Stafford Campus. And then in this building where we're today is the Center of Excellence for Advanced Manufacturing. So we do here 3D printing, mechatronics, automation, the whole transformation of manufacturing and how it's evolving because of technology. We have CNC fast track programs here, which we have a lot of manufacturing employers in the area. So individuals can come here, acquire skills that employers right now are desperately seeking qualified people. We also are doing truck driving at this campus because we have a large number of logistics and global supply distribution companies just like Federal Express, UPS, and then every one of the manufacturers has to move their goods and supplies. And so they're all looking for truck drivers. And so we do that training here as well.
Basically, they're helping you learn how to handle the truck and all that. First, we start off with getting you your permit, and then we go with basic skills like backing, different types of backing, and prepare you for the CDL driving test, basically. So you'll learn how to offset back, parallel park, straight line back. Along with, once you get to the street part of it, we'll drive around in the city, making turns and the whole nine, shifting and everything.
And then we do cybersecurity, computer programming. We have a partnership with Apple, so we can do Swift coding, Python, C++, Java, anything that gets individuals ready to how to create apps in this new economy. And also, if you want to learn about cybersecurity, we have the only designated program by Homeland Security as the Center of Excellence for Cybersecurity Training and Education. So we have a lot of great things at this campus. So if there's an area of interest that people have, I just advise them to come in today and talk to one of our advisors and counselors and hear what all we have to offer them. And the best part is that this is their local community campus. Their success is our success, and we are just delighted to have people to come to the campus.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.